Hello friends, welcome to Technique. As you can see on your screen that today I am having Zebra LI4278 barcode scanner, wireless barcode scanner that runs on Bluetooth V2.1 class 2 radio. As you can see, this is a handheld scanner. I am holding it in my hand, and you can roam around wherever you want to roam, wherever you want to go and scan the barcodes. And this is its cradle. Cradle is connected with the system right now, so you are finding this green light over here, and this is connected through a wire USB cable which is connected on the back side of this cradle to the USB port. And if you want to connect it, use this LI4278 with the smartphone, then you have certain codes that you can find on Google or any search engine. The LI4278 pairing code, smartphone codes, and you have to scan those codes. After that, you can pair it with your smartphone. Now come to this. As you can see, it is written symbol over here. You may find this product with the Zebra written over here or Motorola written over here. Don't get confused. These are the same company product. Right now, this is owned by Zebra Technologies. So if you are finding some Motorola over here, Zebra over here, symbol over here, don't get confused. They are the same product, same model. And come to some of the main features. Generally, people ask what kind of this scanner range is. So as far as range is concerned, to be very frank, this runs very smoothly from 15 to 30 meters. And you can move around this range and can scan the barcodes. And if you are going beyond this range, suppose if you are crossing the limit of 15 meters or 20 meters, then there is a memory in this device which is very much capable of storing thousands of codes in it. And when you come in the range, in the Bluetooth range, then it automatically transfers the data to the connected device. If you will go through the specification of it, then it is written over there that it is also capable of covering around 330 feet, or you can say 100 meters of range, but it should be in line of sight. There are some limitations which you have to know, that if there is any kind of a wall, any kind of concrete or any kind of wall is there, then this is going to hamper the wireless network of it. Okay, now we would be scanning some of the barcodes in front of you to show the demo. I am opening the notepad. Here is the notepad, and as you can see, the notepad is here. Here is the notepad. Okay, now it is set. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm scanning some of the barcodes. This is a 1D scanner, so remember, this is going to scan only 1D. For 2D, you should use another barcode scanner, that is 6878 or 8178. You can see these are getting popped up on the screen. And the scanner quality is very awesome. You would love using this scanner. The speed, you can check how fast it is reading. I'm scanning a very small barcode. You can see here how small is this. And use another one also, a very small one. Okay, now I'm going out of the range, and you would be able to see how the data is going to be circulated or populated over here. So you might have observed on the screen that when I was out of the range, then there wasn't any scanning. You might have been hearing this noise, this scanning noise, but you might have not been able to see those changes happening on the screen. So all the data are scanned and everything has been populated over here on the screen. And as far as the warranty of this scanner is concerned, it comes with 36 months warranty from Motorola, from Zebra Technologies, and it is 36 months means you are getting a good service, good durability of this product, and you can use it widely. Generally, this scanner is used in most of the godowns, most of the warehouses where the cradle is connected to the system, and the person goes all around the warehouse and connects very well with this scanner. As far as pricing is concerned, it is in Indian market you would find the pricing between 14,000 or 15,000 to 18,000. If you are buying good quantity of this particular model, then definitely you would be getting some kind of negotiated lower price. So whenever you are going for this, then look for the better price from the vendor, from the supplier. Or if you want to buy it online, you can visit cardcur.com, C-A-R-T, card, K-A-R, cur.com. You will find the name of this website, cardcur.com, below this video in the description, and you may visit over there and you would find the cheapest price of it. So that's it from our side on this LI4278 demonstration. We would be soon coming with some more such videos. Thank you very much.